Welcome to another edition of Cloud9's 3-minute Dynamics 365 demos. Today we're going to be looking at Dynamics 365 for Service. There's a number of ways we can kickstart the case management process, and with Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Dynamics being so tightly integrated, we can create cases automatically from an email. We can also create them by phone or by manually or through Portal and Omnichannel. Check out our other video regarding Omnichannel and portals. Once the case is created, it can sit in a queue, and that can be then automatically assigned based on preference of agent, based on product, or based on a round robin as well. And we'll always have visibility of how many cases people are working on, what the priorities are, and where they came from. Looking at a case record, this is a customizable area in Dynamics. We can have whatever data fields and information that would suit you as the customer, but ultimately this is where we store all of the key information about the case. We can also store the timeline in terms of any previous communications. We can link Teams chats together, and we have a customizable process bar that lives along the top that enables us to put our staged case resolution process into Dynamics 365. We also have SLA management, as well as AI-based knowledge article suggestions and similar case suggestions as well, just to make sure our agents are fully equipped to provide the best possible service. The knowledge base articles, you can have as many as you would like to. You can design those in many different ways using standard text, HTML, and you can preview those in all of the different device types. Sitting behind all of your cases, we also have entitlements. So entitlements give us the ability to manage our contracts and therefore manage the service that we're providing. So each customer can have their own entitlement or their own contract, and that can be based on the amount of time we're spending, or most commonly the amount of cases that we're providing. So we can say they're allowed to create X amount of cases, or we're allowed to resolve X amount of cases within the given time. These contracts can also be based on product as well. And we also have full asset management that sits in the system as well, giving us the ability to track the hardware or track the actual physical assets that we are providing a service for. And of course, all of this rolls up into our core account record, where we can see everything that's going on with this customer, such as all of the communications across the business, all of the contacts, and all of the history, which as you grow your Dynamics solution out can be across sales, projects, and also finance as well. But our core here today is giving us that case history. And finally, Dynamics wouldn't be complete without giving us a full understanding of analytics. So we have our customer service insights that are tailorable, you can filter, and you can see all of the relevant data that we need to see based on our case resolution, customer satisfaction, either holistically over the business or individually looking at individual agents as well over given periods. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. If you'd like to find out more about Dynamics 365 customer service, please get in touch with us today.